Hi, so we've got a bit of gap filling to do, and we bought this new gun. I think it's pronounced Preciva. It's $11.99 off Amazon. Takes standard foams. This is from Screwfix, this one.
Gun grade foams.
Yeah, gun grade foams. Came in a well packaged box, came fairly quickly. Came with some little tips that you can push on the end to get in real tight crevices, etc. Really nice soft grip handle. We've used it already, you can see just up there on some bits. It's the first time we've used it. What I noticed and I really like about it compared to the other gun, which was 3 times as much, it's so easy to wipe clean, just a damp cloth and any foam that just comes off.
Without screwing it on and the pressure.
Yeah, so you just get screwed onto here, on there. Really easy to screw on. Again, it was a lot easier to screw on than the more expensive one. This basically controls how far you can squeeze the trigger and how much comes out for flow. I'll just keep it on low. Ease of use, brilliant. Yeah, it's good. So if I just show you, we've used it there, let's show you in action. Somebody just needs to swap positions then.
Yeah, we're in the process of doing the house at the moment, so if it's a bit messy, that's why.
So I'm putting the door, if anybody's wondering, on the landing, that's important. So you hold your gun this way up with a canister point towards the ceiling. Yeah. And I'm just going to, a little bit of light trigger there. It is, what I've noticed about this as well, so there's a big bit I've just done. Because you know, most people don't realise, but you can fill foam. So there's a little gap there. A bit of noise reduction as well. I'm just going real slow. The trigger is just in a league of its own compared to more expensive brands. I don't know what it is. I think it's to do with the handle. Soft grip handle, you can sort of hold it real easy. You see how easy I'm filling that. First time we've used this one. The other foam gun, it was the first one we had. I certainly wouldn't buy it again. So just see how easy it is just to wipe the foam off. It's just a damp cloth. Normally you'd need a load of cleaner in that. So I'll just come up from the bottom to see how that performs. And when this is cured and gone off, we'll just slice it with a knife. That's total control, that. And I'm no expert on this, as you can probably see. A little gap down there. Hardly any pressure at all. Just go up there. I'm just going to. Trick with foam guns from our limits. I've deliberately done that to get a load on there. Like I say, just wipe it off with your damp cloth.
It does come off easy, doesn't it?
Yeah,
that uncured foam.
I'd say the pros with this, ease of screwing it on, which is essential. The other one was difficult. Oh, there's a bit on this. Let's just see. I mean, a bit just gone there. So, see what I mean? Just wipes off.
Yeah, wipes
Keeps
off
your gun
really
nice and clean. Controllability with the trigger, essential for using a foam gun, from my opinion. So I would give this company, Preciva, 10 out of 10 for this, because the price and performance and ease of use, can't go wrong really. 11 quid, I mean. Yeah, hope that helps somebody when deciding what foam gun to get. Thank you.